welcome back to the channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video, I am thrilled to be partnering with Walmart to be bringing you some last minute gift ideas. When I am filming this video, it is December 14th, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I am a little bit panicked that Christmas is literally around the corner and I still have a little tiny bit of shopping left to do. I thought by now I would have been done. You would think that this many years of Christmas shopping by now I would have already figured out a good game plan, but the truth is there's always last minute gifts, last minute decor items, last minute things to put together. And luckily for us, Walmart offers express delivery so we can get things delivered same day sometimes. I've even had things delivered within an hour. It's incredible. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you things that I've either purchased myself in the last week for last minute Christmas gifts, or things that I own that I think would make incredible gifts, things I've either received for Christmas or things that I've given as gifts for Christmas, and things that you can get right on the Walmart website. Don't even have to leave your house. Let's go ahead and get into it. I will have everything linked for you down in the description box as well as here across the screen. Hopefully things will pop up for you to make shopping nice and easy. Shopping on the Walmart website is so incredibly simple. It is my favorite way to shop. You guys always ask me about clothes that I find, shoes that I find, home decor, those types of things, and I shop on the Walmart website all of the time. And I literally had an order delivered this morning, so I'll be sharing that with you as well. So like I said, I'll have everything linked for you down below. You can also shop my Like to Know. I share all kinds of stuff on there. I'll have that linked for you as well. You can follow me at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse, and that just helps keep things super simple and very, very streamlined and easy. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first gift that I want to talk about, one that I received last year for Christmas that I use every single day, most days, multiple times in the day, and that is my Nespresso Vertuo Pop. I love this coffee machine, you guys. Not only does it make the best coffee with that delicious foamy crema on the top, but it allows for me to make professional style coffee at home, which is saving me money in the long run. It comes in white, silver, and black. I have the white one. I think it looks beautiful on my coffee bar. And right now on Walmart's website, it is $89. $89, such a great little machine. Like I said, I use it every single day, and there are so many great options: cold coffee, regular coffee, espresso, and I love this machine. This is such a great gift for any coffee lover in your life. Help elevate the coffee experience for them, and I have turned so many people onto the Nespresso after making them a cup of coffee because it is just that good. Next up in my last minute gift ideas, this is for the men in your life, and that is the Blackstone Griddle. If you do not own one of these, you guys, this is like the top of the line when it comes to outdoor griddles. I bought one for Danny 3 years ago, Christmas now, 4 years ago, the 36-inch 4-burner, so it's nice and big. We can make breakfast for literally everyone. It is such a fantastic machine. On the Walmart.com website, you can get it for $344. It's a flat top griddle. It comes with the top, so it keeps it nice and protected. They make all kinds of fantastic accessories that you can buy as well that would make great stocking stuffers. This is such a highly rated gift. It's got 4.7 stars on the Walmart website, and it feels like a gift for the whole family, let's be honest. This next item is something that I purchased for myself a few months ago because the one I had no longer works. However, this would make an excellent gift for your mom or your sister or a new homeowner, anybody in your life that loves to cook would love this beautiful, literally, that's the name, this beautiful Dutch oven from the Beautiful line by Drew Barrymore. This is such a wonderful slow cooker. Normally it's just shy of $65, but right now on the Walmart website, it's on sale for $47.94. What a beautiful slow cooker for under $50. It's 6 quarts, so it's nice and big, and it's programmable. So you can put your food in it before you leave for the day, set the timer, and when you get home from work, your dinner can be ready. What more can you ask for? It's beautiful. It does come in multiple different colors. I have the white icing color. I love it. I think it looks really nice on your countertop when it's cooking. I know that Probably sounds kind of silly. Some people don't really mind, you know, but I think it just looks really, really gorgeous, and it matches all of their other items. So if you have any of their other, you know, any of the other beautiful line, I have their blender, that type of thing, and it's just so pretty. And again, for less than $50, a new beautiful slow cooker is such a quick and easy last minute gift. Have it delivered to your home, wrap it up quick, and you're good to go. Another great last minute item that is currently on sale on the Walmart website that we own is the Lange Duo I don't want to get the name wrong, 360 Airflow Styler. This is the 2-in-1 curling wand and straightener by Lange. Normally, let me just get the price right here. Normally $59, it's on sale for $47.98. This is such a great little tool, and it can be for anybody in your life that loves, you know, that does their hair and could use a really good tool, curling wand and straightener. If you know anything about the Lange products, they are really, really wonderful. I love their toning shampoo too. So many great products from them. But again, a great last minute gift idea for under $50. So this next gift idea is something that I have purchased for many people in my life, and I have two of my own children who are now driving and have cars of their own, and this would make such a great Christmas gift. And that's the Chemical Guys Professional Wash and Car Care Kit. This is so great. It comes with literally everything you need to keep your car clean. I use all these products. I've actually shared them on my channel before. We use all these products when we clean our car, but this kit comes with 7 of the essential items, including a mitt for you to wash your car. Like I said, I have 2 of my own children who are new car owners, and so this is such a great gift to get them started, especially for my son who really likes to make sure his car stays clean and looks great. And this is coming in at less than $40, so what a great gift. And useful. I love a good useful gift. Maybe that's the mom in me, I don't know, but I love a good useful gift. Last minute gift ideas that I have purchased from this week that I literally had delivered same day, which was so incredibly helpful. One is this ergonomic gaming chair right here, and I got this for my oldest son, and it has LED lights, I think, that light up on the sides. I don't know, it looks super comfortable and super fun. Like I said, I ordered this same day. It was delivered within 2 hours. You gotta love it. Of course, this is all dependent on your store and what's available, but you can, on the Walmart website, click same day delivery so you can see what's available to have delivered that same day. To make your life easy. Another item I ordered, had delivered same day, are the MetaQuest 3S gaming headsets. These were on 2 of my boys' Christmas lists this year, and Walmart was the place I found the best price, and I looked everywhere, but Walmart.com had the best price. And not only did they have the best price, but I didn't have to leave my home. They were delivered same day, made my life so simple. And then the one I had delivered this morning, when I saw that they had these in stock, I'll show you here in a second. These are the Awala Free Sip stainless steel water bottles. I had ordered 3 of them for my boys. They have been asking for a good water bottle, one that's really, really nice, and I told them that I would make them a deal if they could keep a more affordable option safe and they used it properly and they didn't lose it at school, then I would be happy to invest in a better water bottle. So I was thrilled when I saw these on the website, same day delivery, great price, so many color options. Like I said, I got 3 different ones so that everybody had their own colors. If you're not using an Awala, it's probably because you haven't tried one yet. I hadn't either, but I love the spout on these. They do have a straw inside, so you can sip up, but you also can drink like this if you don't want to use the straw. It's just really, really great, and such a great gift for anybody. Literally anybody who doesn't drink water, who doesn't need a nice water bottle. Great gift for anybody. And again, have them delivered. Great last minute gift idea, absolutely. So those are all of the last minute gift ideas that I have for you. But the other thing to remember is that you can also order from Walmart.com decor. My entire Christmas tree back here is Walmart. The tree itself is from Walmart. All of the shatterproof ornaments are Walmart. Like everything on that tree is Walmart. So if you need some last minute decor items, I would definitely recommend checking out walmart.com. If you need a holiday party outfit, if you need pajamas because you're going to a holiday, you know, you want matching pajamas for Christmas morning, you can definitely find them on walmart.com as well. And I will link some of my favorites for you down in the description box. Not to mention gift wrapping. So if you need boxes, wrapping paper, tissue paper, bows, any of those things, you can get all of those on walmart.com and have them shipped express delivery to your home. It truly does just make getting all of your essentials for Christmas nice and easy. And if you're like me and sometimes can't seem to just finish the job until you've got a deadline and it's looming and the stress is literally causing sweat, you know, to form on your brow, don't panic. That's the joy of Walmart and walmart.com and having that express delivery. I literally use it probably twice a week. So I'm so incredibly thankful for it. Again, I will have everything linked for you down in the description box. You can find all of these items on my Like to Know. Make sure you're following me there if you aren't already. Want to thank Walmart again for partnering with me in today's video. And let me know down below, are you guys finished with your shopping or are you still shopping for certain people? I am definitely still shopping. Not finished yet. There's always last minute gift ideas and you know, I think I'm gonna be ahead of it all the time, but the truth is I never am. I never am. I'm always doing last minute shopping. It's just a part of who I am. So hope you guys are having the most beautiful holiday season and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, my friends.